What's up guys, Bodie back with another video, bodiedavison.com, check that out. So today's video is going to be about why everyone fails at Teespring in 2020. So why are so many people failing at Teespring and what happens? And so it's a thing called shiny object syndrome, and that's where you're looking for the next best thing all the time. So let's say you should be uploading all of your designs to Teespring. We know that. You should be uploading more and more designs. You want to get like 20, 30 or more designs up there. And then the other thing, the big tip that I could give you is don't just put them all on there. You should also have them on like Redbubble, T-Chip, Sunfrog, Merch by Amazon. You should try and sign up for that. I'll show you guys how to do that as well. So you don't want to have all of your eggs in one basket. So you don't want to just be on Teespring and then the website gets shut down and then all the sales you were making are gone. So yeah, you really want to diversify it. But the point of this video is why are so many people failing at it? So the big thing with making money online is that there's so many options. So I know I teach a lot of options on this one. I'm trying to stick with print on demand at the moment and really take you guys along for the ride on how it all works and what to do. But the thing is, there's so many different options. So let's say there's affiliate marketing, which is very interesting. There's Amazon FBA, there's drop shipping, which like my channel has so many things about. There's eBay drop shipping, there's different types. So there's Shopify drop shipping, there's eBay drop shipping. You could be buying things at wholesale prices, you could be flipping things. There's so many different options out there. And what tends to happen with people is they'll focus on one thing for like a week or two. So let's say you're uploading all your designs to Teespring and going really well with that. And then you're building up your social medias and doing all the things that I'm mentioning in all these videos. And then they'll go to the next thing. They'll be like, oh, someone I know is doing affiliate marketing, or I saw a video for that. Oh, I might give that a try. But when you focus on so many different things, you don't actually get good at anything. So this is something that I've learned over the years. Like that's why I'm very focused on print on demand at the moment. So I'm giving everything like with print on demand my attention, and then everything else is sort of on the back burner. I'll look at that stuff because I know like to focus on one thing at a time, but I won't give it as much attention as I'm giving this right now. The only two things I'm giving lots of attention, or three things, sorry, my YouTube channel at the moment, Teespring, so print on demand and other, print on demand websites, and my website, which I've been building, and then I write articles for here and there as I try and rank that further up in Google for all the things that I want to rank it for. So really that's three things that I'm focused on, but I'm very aware that I can get, misguided at any time. So I'm really trying to focus on print on demand and really trying to show you guys everything I'm doing, so therefore it'll build up my channel. So it all sort of is working together at the moment, and then the more people I have following my channel, the more people that'll visit my website, and then I can backlink all of that, so it'll help my website rank. And there's a lot of things that are going on, but yeah, the big tip is do go focusing on one thing, and don't go getting misguided with all these other things and getting sidetracked. So it's very easy to lose motivation if you're not doing the same thing consistently and seeing growth in it. So if you're just sort of giving it half your effort with building up your social medias and posting the right shirts and doing the designs and uploading the designs, all that stuff, then you're not going to get the results, which will make you less motivated and more likely to stray into something else and try that out as well. So yeah, it's very easy to do, and it's a very slippery slide because then you'll keep switching from thing to thing. So that's my big tip on why people are failing with Teespring, is that they're ready to jump to the next thing because it's not happening straight away for them, instead of being consistent and uploading all these shirt designs, getting more and more design ideas, building up their social medias to drive that traffic to their listings, and grow their Teespring store and their other print on demand stores, like I said. And yeah, when you don't focus on that and you go to something else, then that's going to tend to slip. So that's my tip for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Please give it a like for me. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.